To add another instructional team member to your course, go to People, then on the People page, click Plus People. If you're adding multiple people, separate them with a comma or with a line break. Add people by an email address or by their login ID, which would be their 6 and 2. So I'm going to purposely put in the wrong 6 and 2. Choose the role that you want this staff member to have, changing the role to TA, Teaching Assistant. Now it gives me a warning that they were unable to find any matches. So that gives me the indication that something is wrong. Go back, I see I put in the ID wrong. And now, once I put it in correctly, it comes up with the staff member's information. And once I click Add, it adds the staff member to the course, and then they are sent an invitation to accept the course.